Yo, yo, yo. January 13th. Welcome to episode 6 of Jared Tries Trading. My 100 video challenge to myself to keep myself accountable, learn this game of day trading, and be financially free no matter how long it takes. So thanks for joining me. This is, damn, wrong screen already. This is my third time recording this shit, so I'm about to fly through this. Bam. This was January 12th, Wednesday. Really good win rate, 75%, exactly where we want to be. Oh no, Jared, you're minus 400. Yes, I was. I accidentally closed out my position. I went to go add another call contract because the stock looked like it was going to bounce, and I ended up closing it for a $545 loss. Sad life. Considering how today went, I would have been able to probably close it for a scratch at least, or my loss would have been a lot less than this. But it's all good. Happens for a reason. Maybe I would have got greedy and ended up losing a lot more than that. So it's just on to the next trade, no matter what. Put together a good day though. A lot of base hits. My Apple swing worked out. I think I swung the BA as well. Again, this is on Wednesday. Yeah, I took a quick scalp right here. A lot of momentum, 30 minutes after the open. So, easy 6%. Not easy. I'll never say easy. But that was my loss. If I didn't have that, I would have been green on the day. And my win rate would have been like 85%. So, can't complain. Move on. On to the next. Today, we had another great day. 89%. I know. Working on it. $120. McDonald's is on me, so don't worry about it. Just let me know. McChickens, McNuggies, whatever. My one loss today, let's go over this one. I'm still happy with the trade. I actually swung this from yesterday, but I'm happy that I closed it just to kind of lower my risk going into tomorrow. This was a long position, one call contract. And the way today turned out, which was a very red day, this big old candle on the daily here, I didn't like what I was seeing at the end of the day here. Tomorrow might have a little bit of selling follow through, and I don't feel like having another call contract going negative 500 to 1,000 and trying to fight my way back. So I hedged it. I didn't hedge it, but I cut it. $100 loss is manageable. I'll get that back in 2 or 3 trades. But the more $500 losses I take, those are, pretty big hits to my account. So cut that trade, get that out of here, get that out of my life. But besides that, if I didn't want to cut that one, I would have been at 100% win rate, which is fantastic for me. And I just see a lot of green here. Zim had a great swing trade, held that since yesterday. Cat, this was a nice quick trade. I think I took it in one candle. Yup. Got in down here after this confirmation, a little bit of strength. Rode this move up. Didn't feel like riding anything all day. Took my quick $50. The stochastics must have been in a bearish cross right here, so told me to exit. So I did leave money on the table, but hey, you never know. This could have kept going later on, and then I'd be stuck managing a trade. So happy with it. Can't complain. Next trade, let's see, that was Cat. Let's do Kroger. Another one I left money on the table, but this was a nice little grinder. I got in right here after a good boost in volume here. I took that quick move. Do I really want to wait through another pullback and get to another move if there's another move? Nah, I'll take my win. 17%, $37. I was in that trade for an hour and a half. Let me go through what I saw in the daily with you guys. Again, this isn't advice. This is just me trying to practice and work on how to get better at this day trading thing. So always start with the daily. big green day today, super strong versus the market. Had a little pullback yesterday, but break of this horizontal support, kind of this compression here, bounced off the 8 EMA on the daily, and I just rode this strength all day. 1 OSI above 0, had buy signals on every time frame, M30, M15, M5, and this was the day. Never really slowed down until the end when SPY started really heating up to the downside. So took my little move, cool with it. These are the kind of stocks I like. You know, obviously with the crystal ball, you wish you could just ride it from right here all the way up. But my goal is to just get some of the breadcrumbs that institutions are leaving for me and put together a nice green day with a high win rate. So happy with Kroger. Next one, I think is Ford. Ford was a nice little trade. I did a good job at adding to my winner. We don't want to always be averaging down once it goes against us. But if we're pretty confident that the stock is strong and it's going to rally back and maybe just the market's holding it back, needs a little bit of support, and we're confident we could add to our trades, so which I usually don't. But this was a nice little play for me. A lot of strength here. Got in right here on this pullback. Felt like the stock had a lot of relative strength versus the market. Held through this pullback. Bam, another leg higher. Confirmation to me that the stock was indeed strong with this increased volume. And I rode up a little more of this leg up. I guess you could say I left a little money on the table right here, but you never know what's going to happen. Let's go look at the daily over here. What did I see? That's SPY. Nice compression here. Break of this horizontal resistance as well as this compression, kind of like a bull flag formation. 1 OSI rising in relative strength. I'm sure there were buy signals on it. Bam. SPY was not tanking, pulling back here. Stock was up. Right here, the stock kind of got a little bit of market tailwind for this next leg higher. What time did I get in? 10 o'clock. So that's right here on this pullback. Bam. Next leg higher. Added. Because this stock was going down. I mean, the SPY, the market was going down right here. And it was still remaining strong. Forward anyways. And then I added. And then when did I get out? 11:30. So right here on this pullback. Like, if I waited 20 more minutes, I could have got this extra move right here. But look what it did after. You know, what if it wasn't the next leg up? What if it just started tanking? So the thing about relatively strong stocks is it gives you a little bit of time to evaluate and sometimes even makes another move higher, whether you want to stay in or not. But as you can see, SPY right here found some resistance, and bam, for the rest of the day, bam, bam, down. So I got out. No need to put myself through these big red bars here just for a couple more dollars. Took my move and get out of there. It's my money. It's my money and I need it now. You know what I mean? So good trade, 11% return. Can't complain. And then all these other ones are just nice little base hits as well. All relative strength, all options. And I think did I go through my loss already? I don't know. I did this video so many times. But my only loss was this Chevron trade. I think I already did this. Anyways, guys. Again, this is my third recording, so I'm trying to get out of here. Appreciate you guys for watching. I hope, I dropped any gems that something will stick in your mind as far as one novice to another. Always start with the daily. Always think about the market first, and try to go long when SPY's up, and go short when SPY's down. That's kind of the pillar to the strategy. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, and good luck out there.